I'm Avis Richards. I'm the executive producer of Lunch NYC. I'm also the founder of Bird's Nest Foundation, where we create media for nonprofit foundations and NGOs around the world, giving every nonprofit a voice.
You know, as a child, you take everything to heart. Everything is serious because you don't know any different.
I just wanted to thank you so much for donating your time and creativity to the Michael Bolton Charities. And their gift will continue to raise awareness for the work we do and continue.
It's not going to be politics that are going to change the way people live. It's going to be parents, kids, and community leaders and administrators that are going to make a difference.
It really allows organizations to get their message out into the world.
Thank you, Avis, for what you've done for my foundation.
The New York Says Thank You Foundation, and what our mission is to help rebuild communities around the United States every year on the 9/11 anniversary.
People who otherwise wouldn't have the opportunity to get the attention that they need in order to get their voices heard now have the opportunity to do so, and it's something that is of tremendous value, and we'll never forget that.